Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota RAV4 key fob battery. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. You will need just a couple of items: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This specific battery type is widely available and quite affordable, ensuring your key fob is powered up and ready to go in no time. Let's get started. Now, let's open up your key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button located on the side of the fob, then pull out the physical key. With the physical key removed, you'll see a small slot inside the opening. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate, revealing the internal components and the battery. With the key fob open, you'll clearly see the old coin cell battery nestled in its compartment. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently pry the old battery out. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. Now, take your new CR2032 battery. Ensure you insert it correctly, with the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, facing upwards. It should snap securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the physical key back into its designated slot until it locks firmly into position. The last step is to test your key fob. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.